In a vibrant Pakistani city, where everyone contends for their livelihood, one man emerges as its beacon of hope. Imran Khan, a leader determined to free his people from the grip of the corrupt mafia. A web of corrupt mafia and shadowy forces is relentlessly orchestrating a campaign to tarnish Imran Khan's reputation. In a shocking twist of fate, Imran Khan is targeted in a brazen assassination attempt. They couldn't break his spirit. Imran Khan is free and the nation rallies behind him like never before. False charges are leveled against Imran Khan, an attempt to silence his voice and crush his spirit. In response to the apprehension of Imran Khan, protests erupted throughout the entire cities of Pakistan. But the fight for justice comes at a cost. Violence grips the city, testing the resilience of its people. Imprisoned but not defeated, he awaits the moment to reclaim his mission. Behind the bars, he strategizes a move unbeknownst to any of his adversaries. From wielding a cricket bat to brandishing a sword in the face of the mafia, the transformation unfolds. People desperately waiting Imran Khan to call them loud, "Meri Pakistanio." But when the truth is a threat, the powerful strike back, navigating through internal and external monsters within his party's realm. This February 2024 witnessed the rise of a leader, the fall of corruption, and the dawn of a new era. Rising Khan, coming soon to theaters near you.